some work on the old Bobcat and replaced the backup alarm. Just wasn't working, so I got the new one in there. And then I had problems with the trip switch that's attached to the joystick. Wasn't making contact, so I crawled up under the cab and started playing with the switches. Pretty easy to replace, plug and play. Well, put the new wires on and mount that sucker in. I see that the switch arm, I had to bend it. So I think I need to replace these switches because this one doesn't work at all. Not even clicking. This one, boom.